Yeah, I don't think they'll stick out.
Okay, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna see if we can fit 22 by 14s on a stock Laramie.
Cummins.
So this is not my truck, obviously. I'm not a Cummins fan, but I'm curious to see if they'll fit on there because I don't know. The stock wheels are what, maybe 8 inches wide, and you got 14s.
These are 14s, buddy.
Okay,
14s.
and what are they exactly? What wheels and tires did you go with?
These are the American Force cast wheels. They're 22 by 14s. And then we have they're wrapped in the Nitto Terra grapplers.
Do you think they're gonna fit?
Yeah, I do. They're gonna stick out, but they're gonna fit.
Okay, and just for clarification, what exactly are you wearing?
Oh, hello there. I'm a mechanic, so I'm wearing my mechanic apron. You know, it's got this nice little handy pocket here, and I can just, you know, put my tools in there and do my shenanigans.
We'll get this thing lifted up, and we'll start putting these wheels and tires on and see what we need to cut.
I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Here it comes. Oh shit, these things have to come off.
I don't know. So we have to take those off.
Yeah, I don't know where I saw it.
Sir, is your headlamp on? Yes, it is. Yeah, you gotta rip these freaking little buggers off here. Man, they're, what the heck? Well, I'll be. This isn't very fun. Ugh.
Nice.
Whew. Ah, cramp. Ah, don't cramp. Oh my gosh, dude, I got a cramp.
You want me to massage it?
Yeah, we're good.
Doesn't think they'll stick out far, he says.
Looks fabulous. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this?
Yeah, I don't think they'll stick out.
Yeah, they stick out. They're gonna suck in about another 1/16 of an inch though when I...
A 16th.
1/16.
1/16.
We gotta see though what they're gonna rub on, or if they'll rub. We got the first one on and it looks oh so good.
I'm crying.
Sticks.
I've never been so happy. They look amazing. I told myself I wasn't gonna cry, but I am.
They stick out farther than I actually thought they would. But man,
Yeah.
That is a good stance.
Yeah, they stick out far.
Yeah, they're out there.
Yeah, very, very happy with how that looks.
That looks really good. And those lugs, I love those lugs. I might have to get a set for the big truck.
all right, let's get the other
All
three
right.
installed.
5 hours later, we'll have them done. Promise you, they will be done. Gotta just take off those copper little whatever things from Ram. Thanks, Ram.
Let's time lapse you through these last three and then get the final look.
at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames.
Well, we got the wheels on. It rained a little bit though. I love the stance. I give it a 10. That's a 5. 2 5s. 10 out of 10. And you want to start this thing up and see how bad it rubs? Because it's gonna rub. It's definitely gonna rub. Whenever you start it, can you give us some revs so we can hear it? I'll get it. I'll tell you. I'll tell you when it hits, not if it hits. I don't hear anything. Yeah, sure. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Is that max? Now hold up. Whoa! I thought it would rub there. Turn it back. Let me watch it.
Yeah, right there.
Good for you.
Good stuff.
I really thought it would rub in the front. I was wrong. It just rubs a little bit.
Right there.
She don't rub too bad.
So Grizzly and I, Evan over here, are gonna go get some photos of these two Stancy boys. There's the other one. I'll throw some of the pictures that we take into this video. But other than that, thanks for tuning in, fellas. We'll see you in the next one. Follow his channel at Get Grizzlied or Grizzly? Grizzlied. All right, I'll put it, he thinks. I'll put it in there, don't worry.